Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using the service. Today we're taking a look at WeTravel, WeTravel.com, a platform designed for group travel planning and payments. Organizing trips for multiple people can be a logistical nightmare, juggling individual payments, coordinating itineraries, and managing communications. WeTravel aims to simplify this entire process, offering a centralized hub for all aspects of group travel management. From my experience, WeTravel provides a streamlined approach to collecting payments from participants. It supports various payment methods, making it convenient for travelers to contribute their share. The platform also handles refunds efficiently, which is crucial when dealing with group dynamics and potential cancellations. Furthermore, WeTravel facilitates communication among group members, keeping everyone informed about trip details, updates, and important announcements. One of the standout features I found particularly helpful was the itinerary builder. It allows organizers to create detailed schedules, including activities, accommodation details, and transportation arrangements. This centralized itinerary ensures everyone is on the same page and reduces confusion. Beyond itinerary planning, WeTravel also assists with booking travel components such as flights and accommodation, although in my experience this functionality is more geared toward smaller groups or simpler trips. While WeTravel offers a comprehensive solution for group travel planning, it's important to consider its pricing structure. They operate on a commission-based model, which means a percentage of each transaction goes to the platform. While this might be a factor for budget-conscious travelers, the convenience and features offered by WeTravel often outweigh the cost, especially for complex trips involving a larger number of participants. Overall, WeTravel significantly simplifies the complexities of group travel organization. From payment collection and communication to itinerary management, it provides a user-friendly platform that streamlines the entire process. Based on my own usage, I can confidently recommend WeTravel to anyone planning a group trip, whether it's a small family vacation or a large-scale adventure. Be sure to check out the link in the description below and let me know your thoughts on WeTravel in the comments.